In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make any website dark mode in Google Chrome. We're going to use a built-in Chrome option that forces websites to render with dark backgrounds and light text. This is handy at night, easier on your eyes, and can reduce glare on bright pages. We'll walk through it carefully so you know exactly what to expect. First, open Google Chrome and go to Chrome IETSAS flags in the address bar. This page hosts experimental features that aren't part of the standard settings yet. It's safe to look around, but only change the specific option we'll use today. If you ever want to undo it, you can always return to this page and reset the same option to its default. On the flags page, use the search box at the top and type Auto Dark Mode. You're looking for the entry called Auto Dark Mode for web contents. This feature tells Chrome to automatically apply dark styling to websites, even if those sites don't offer a native dark theme. Next, change its setting from default to enabled. Depending on your version of Chrome, you may see variations in the drop-down. Enabled is a great starting point for most people because it applies a consistent dark theme across the web. When you enable it, Chrome will prompt you to relaunch. Click Relaunch. Chrome will briefly close and reopen your windows and tabs, so make sure you've saved any work in online editors or forms before proceeding. After the relaunch, the feature is active, but each open page needs a quick refresh to pick up the new styling. Now go to the page you want in dark mode. This could be any site that's open in a tab. Keep in mind this flag applies across websites in your browser session, but you'll still choose which page to look at first so you can see the difference right away. Finally, reload that page. You can press the reload button or use your usual refresh shortcut. The page should re-render with a dark background and light text. Some sites will look fantastic immediately. Others may have small visual quirks, especially with logos or images. That's normal for a forced dark theme. If something looks off, try scrolling, navigating to another page on the site, or refreshing again to settle the styling. That's it. You've enabled dark mode for web contents in Chrome, and your browsing should now be much easier on the eyes. If you ever want to go back, just return to the flags page and put the setting back to its original state. Enjoy your new comfortable dark browsing experience.